Tensions between the United States and Iran are rising sharply after US President Donald Trump issued a strong warning to Tehran, telling Iran to either make a deal or face a possible military attack. In response, Iran has made it clear that negotiations cannot happen under threats and pressure. Iran's Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi posted on social media platform X saying that Iran's armed forces have their finger on the trigger and are ready to respond immediately and powerfully to any aggression. He added that Iran has always welcomed a fair, respectful, and mutual beneficial nuclear deal, but will not accept talks based on threats. The United States, on the other hand, has laid out several strict demands. Washington wants Iran to stop its nuclear enrichment program, reduce its ballistic missile capabilities, especially missiles that can reach Israel, limit the number and range of long-distance missiles, end its support for regional armed groups, including Lebanon and Yemen. President Trump has made it clear that he wants Iran to change its military and regional policies completely. Meanwhile, according to reports from Tehran, there have been indirect messages exchanged between Iran and the United States through regional mediators. However, officials say the gap between both sides remains very wide. Iran is not ready to accept key American demands, especially the demand for zero nuclear enrichment and restrictions on ballistic missile programs. These two issues remain the biggest obstacle to any possible agreement. At the same time, the situation is becoming more dangerous because the United States has been increasing its military presence in the region over the past week. Adding to the pressure and tensions, Iranian leaders say they are open to talks, but only with dignity and respect. Foreign Minister Abbas and other officials have clearly stated Iran is ready to negotiate peacefully, but if a war is imposed, Iran is also fully prepared to fight. Even Iran's parliamentary speaker Mohammad Bakir warned that if a war begins, no one will be able to control how far the conflict spreads. Senior Iranian official Ali Shamkhani has also warned that any conflict will not remain limited. Iran already has a large arsenal of ballistic missiles that can reach long distance, including Israel and strategic areas in the region. Iran also continues to have influence and allied groups in several regions, including Lebanon, Yemen, and Iran. Groups aligned with Iran has already said they are ready to take part in any war if conflict breaks out. This means any military action could quickly turn into a regional war involving multiple countries and forces. Analysts warn that once a conflict starts, there may be no clear limit to how far it can go. So, while both sides talk about diplomacy, the reality on the ground shows a rising military pressure, growing threats, and deep disagreements. Iran says it wants its peace, but no under threats. The US say it wants a deal, but with strict conditions. As tension grows, the region stands on edge, with the world watching closely to see whether this crisis moves towards negotiation or towards confrontation.